How to use the trading panel. The trading panel is located on the right side of the trading interface. Here you can find buttons for opening trades, setting the expiration time, trade amount, and profit percentage. There are two expiration modes on Pocket Option. The first mode is for the total expiration time, which shows the duration of the trade. You can open trades from 5 seconds to 4 hours. The second mode is flagged. It allows you to open trades with predetermined expiration time. In this mode, trades from 30 seconds to 30 minutes are available. The trade amount can be specified in dollar or percentage equivalents. The profit percentage varies and depends on the chosen asset and trade amount. The trading panel can be hidden in the multi-chart mode to free up the working area of the screen for the selected asset. To do that, just click on the Gamepad button. Click again to return the trading panel to the screen. This feature is only available in the multi-chart mode. How to use trading assets. More than 250 trading assets are available on Pocket Option. Currency pairs, commodities, stocks, shares, indices, cryptocurrencies, and OTC assets available around the clock. How to choose a trading asset. You can select an asset by opening a relevant category or entering its name in the search field. The Shift plus F key combination opens the list of assets right during trading. Add assets to your favorites to access them quickly. Starred assets are available in the Quick Access panel at the top of the trading interface. How to use expiration modes. The Pocket Option platform offers two expiration modes, Standard and Flag. The Standard mode is ideal for short-term trading strategies. The Flag mode is better suited for long-term trading strategies. Standard expiration mode. The Standard mode allows precise control over the trade's duration, closing it after a fixed time from the moment it opens. To set up the Standard mode, select an asset, set the trade amount, and choose the expiration time. The trade will close automatically after the specified time, starting from the moment you click the higher/lower button. Flag mode. The second expiration mode, Flag, is useful when it's important to set an exact closing time for the trade. Click on the expiration field and set the desired value. You will see an expiration marker on the chart. No later than 5 seconds before the specified time, you can open any number of trades. All of them will close simultaneously. Configure the Auto Shift feature to automatically extend the trade's expiration time by the required period. Click on the expiration field and choose the period. 5 seconds before the current expiration time, the system will automatically set the next expiration time, adding the specified period. All trades opened within these 5 seconds will have the new expiration time. The Auto Shift feature is useful when current market conditions change in your favor. Extending the expiration time allows you to flexibly account for market dynamics and adjust your strategies in real time. How to use different chart types. There are 4 chart types available on the trading platform: line, candles, bars, and Heiken Ashi. The line chart is a tick chart that displays real-time price movement. A tick represents the minimum price change. At maximum zoom, you can see several ticks per second. The candles chart displays the range of price movement from maximum to minimum on a certain time interval. The body of the candlestick shows the range between the opening and closing prices. The thin line, candle shadow, displays the maximum and minimum price fluctuations during the candle's formation. If the closing price is higher than the opening price, the candle is green, and if the closing price is lower, the candle is red. The bar's chart type shows information about the opening, closing, minimum and maximum prices for the specified time interval. short horizontal lines on the sides of the bar represent the opening price, left, and the closing price, right. The Heiken Ashi chart is similar to a candlestick chart, but its candles are generated using a formula that helps to smooth out price noise and fluctuations. For chart types like candles, bars, and Heiken Ashi, you can choose the display interval, change the color, and adjust the thickness of the candle in the Chart Settings menu. The timer feature allows you to see the duration of the candle on the chart. How to use drawing tools. Drawing tools are technical analysis instruments in the form of lines and geometric shapes. On Pocket Option, there are 9 types of drawing tools available: horizontal and vertical lines, ray, Fibonacci retracement, and Fibonacci fan, trend line, parallel channel, rectangle, and Andrews pitchfork. How to add a drawing tool to the chart. Select the tool from the Drawing Tools menu. The drawing will automatically appear on the chart. Customize the color and thickness, duplicate shapes, and save drawings for selected assets. To remove a drawing from the chart, go to the current tab in the Drawing section and click on the trash can icon or click Delete All. Drawings can also be removed directly from the chart. In the Drawing Settings menu, click on the trash can icon. Drawing tools can be used to analyze the chart, highlight trends, and identify entry points. How to use hotkeys. Use hotkeys to avoid accidental clicks and increase the accuracy and speed of your trading. For example, Shift+W opens a new up trade. With Shift+S, you can open a down trade, and to increase the trade amount, press Shift+D. To decrease the amount of the trade, use Shift+A. When trading on several assets at once, the combination Shift+Tab will allow you to quickly switch between your favorite assets. How to use a demo account. A demo account is available on Pocket Option both before registration and at any time after it. A demo account provides all the features of a real account and is a copy of it, but with some minor limitations. Assets, their profitability and charts are the same as when trading on a real account. The starting balance of a demo account on Pocket Option is $50,000. Demo account is used to learn trading, so it is impossible to withdraw funds from it. The social trading feature is also not available on the demo account. How to top up a demo account. To top up to your demo account, click Top Up, select the amount, and click Add. A demo account is a great opportunity for beginners to learn trading and hone their money management skills. Experienced traders can use a demo account to practice new strategies without the risk of losing money. How to use indicators. Indicators are elements of technical analysis used to forecast price movements and market trends. To add indicators to the chart, click on the icon at the top left of the trading interface and select an indicator. It will automatically be added to the chart. You can add any indicator to your favorites by clicking the star next to its name. To configure the indicator, click on the pen icon next to the indicator name. To remove an indicator from the chart, open the Indicators section, go to the current tab, and click on the trash can icon next to the indicator. If you are enjoying this video, hit the like button and subscribe. An indicator can also be removed directly from the chart. To remove all indicators from the chart, go to the All tab and click on Delete All. How to use the Alligator Trading Strategy. Today we will tell you how to use the Alligator Strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the Alligator indicator developed by Bill Williams. Oops, wrong picture. Alligator helps to identify trends and their direction using 3 smooth moving averages that visually resemble the jaws, teeth, and lips of an alligator. How to set up the Alligator indicator for quick trades. set the following values. Jaws, blue line. 13 periods, shift by 8. Teeth, red line. 8 periods, shift by 5. Lips, green line. 5 periods, shift by 3. Follow the interaction of the lines. When the green line, lips, crosses the red, teeth, and blue, jaws, lines from bottom to top, open and up trade. When the green line, lips, crosses the red, teeth, and blue, jaws, lines from top to bottom, open a down trade. For best results, combine the alligator indicator with other tools such as RSI or MACD to confirm the signals. Happy trading on Pocket Option.